guys, and welcome back to my channel. So finally I'm recording this video which has been like much asked for. So finally I'm recording this video about PR packages, gifts from brands and all of that. So I'm super excited because if I can help you guys out in any way, I would love to do that. So PR packages are actually gifts from the brand. They add you in the PR list if you are a known influencer or you are a growing. So okay, I'm gonna explain it to you how it works. So in the starting, when you're in the starting phase and when you're growing, so you have to DM a lot of brands, all right? So you have to DM a lot of people, you have to ask them for PR packages. You keep on DMing all those brands, and if they reply to you, then that's an amazing thing. But if they don't reply to you and they skip your message somehow, then you can of course email them, you can connect to them, and you can just like keep on DMing them and asking them that, hey, would you like to collaborate, and I'm this. You have to actually create a big message about your achievements. If you're still growing, then you have to create a big message about your achievements, about what you do, about what have you done till now, what all brands have you worked with, because that is all important. And it's actually great if you would do that, because then brands think that you are very professional. So PR packages, so you get PR packages from brands when you have good content, when you are an established influencer, and when they know that your reach is great and they will get some inquiries from you and they will get some sales from you. So as an influencer, you have a lot of ways that you can work with the brand. First of all, there is the affiliate marketing program, in which they might send you something and they'll say ki this is your coupon code, or if you sell 20 products, then 5% is your cut or 10% is your cut. Then the next thing is on barter. They send a lot of products to you and they just tell you to post about it, to record a video about it, and they will give you the timelines and all. Then the third thing is a paid collaboration. Yes, we are paid to promote a lot of products. Like a few brands pay us, and they pay us good amount to promote their new launches, new products, and we have to create content for them. So if you want to be in the first of all, guys, there is a huge difference between brand collaborations, PR, and gifts. So PR is something, one second, I'm just gonna focus. So PR is something that a brand adds you to the PR list, and PR list is like you will get new launches, you will get naya saman, naya launches, and all of that stuff. Then there is collaborations. Collaboration is like if they're sending you something, they will tell you that I need a video, I need a reel, I need a post, I need stories, and I want you to speak in this way. Okay, it won't be scripted, but they will like just help you out with the content that they want. So that's a collaboration. And then gifts. So a lot of brands, a lot of new brands, a lot of established brands send you gifts because they think that you are amazing and your work is really good. So they just send you gifts. So in return, as they're sending in a gift, you can just do a story or maybe a post if you just love the product. So that's how it works in the influencing business. And now how to get PR, how to get gifts, how to get brands. Now I'm gonna explain it to you. So first of all, you have to create an established audience. You should have good audience who watches your reels, who will watch your posts, and you should have good amount of likes, amount of reach. You should have people liking your pictures, people commenting on them, and good video likes, good video views, good reel views. So and good content, of course. Even if you have views but you have bad content, brands would not work with you because they want to see good content. So you should have good content, you should have good views, good likes. And some brands don't actually see likes and views, they see the content that you're producing. So if they like the content, even if you have like let's say 600 followers, but your content is really good, so they will do a barter collaboration with you. They will send in a huge hamper to you and they will ask you to post something about that hamper. So that all is possible if your content is good. So the main focus has to be on your content and not on your followers. A lot of people are trying to buy followers now. So buying followers will actually not help you in any way, because brands have this app in which they can detect how many fake followers are there and how many real engaging followers are there and what's the engagement percentage and all of that. So that's not happening. And so you should never buy fake followers. I'm so sorry, I've been looking outside because outside like some people were going and they're coming, so distraction, but of course I won't get distracted now. Anyway, so a lot of people have been buying fake followers, but fake followers doesn't help because it doesn't give you any good. There's nothing. Maybe you will get one barter collaboration, but then that if that one barter collaboration doesn't result in anything, it won't help you out. So focus on creating good content for yourself, all right, for your own page. Focus on your own page, then brands will come to you in any way. And now I'm going to show you my PR haul, and in any way I'm not trying to brag and I'm not trying to like be like, oh my god, look at the stuff I've got. I'm not trying to do that. And I have worked really hard in this industry for like a year and a half, 2 years, and after 2 years I'm getting all these PR packages. So I think that 2-year timeline was like my growing stage, when I was growing from 1 follower to 2 to 3 to 5,000, 6,000 to 81,000 followers. So I think it's very difficult to gain a lot of followers in less time. It's not possible. So just keep working hard, keep on doing your thing, keep on making content, keep on messaging brands, keep on DMing them, say that I will create good content for you guys, you can collaborate with me, I promise you that. So if you do that, if you build that trust between you and the brand, then of course they will come to you and they will collaborate. So PR unboxing. So I have got this huge carton right here with a lot of products, so I'm going to show it to you guys. But first of all, know that whatever I get, whatever I have, and whatever brands I collaborate with is just because of you guys. It's because of you. You are my strength, you're my support. And ये बहुत सालों की मेहनत है. It's not like कि मैंने अभी start किया है मुझे brands आ गए, पर बहुत सालों का ये मेहनत है, बहुत सालों का trust है जो brand और मुझ पे built है. So I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you guys like this video. So let's get started. So the first thing is from Sand and Sky. So Sand and Sky were launching in India with their sister brand, which is called Coco and Eve. So I got this from Sand and Sky, this duo. So this is Australian pink clay mask and this is Australian pink clay exfoliating treatment. So this came in a big box and I had like a towel, headband and 2-3 more things. Then I have Renee's mini lipsticks. So Ashka Goradia, I think. So she launched her brand for makeup. She launched a makeup brand and she sent in these lipsticks. These are the mini lipsticks from Renee Cosmetics. Then I have Carrera. So Carrera is a hair care brand, hair appliance brand, and they sent in this hair straightener which looks amazing. This is the hair straightener. Then they sent in a blow dryer. So I actually love it, and if I did not like buy my Dyson, I would have of course invested in this. This is so amazing and thank you guys for sending in this. It's actually very good. I've used it. Then the next thing is, one second. Then the next thing is, I'm gonna move a little bit. This face wash from Nude. Then they sent in their, their shampoo and conditioner and a body moisturizing lotion that is there. So that's what they sent. So Nude is a brand which uses goat milk to strengthen your hair and to moisturize your body. It's a very good brand. I love it, completely love with it. Then the second package is from Anusha. She just started her skincare brand called Brown Skin Beauty. So she sent in a hamper which had aloe vera face wash. I really love the packaging of all the products, like it's so cute. Then she sent in a pouch to keep everything. This is a pink pouch, so beautiful. Then she sent in a face moisturizer, skin roll-on, vitamin C serum. So all the face products she sent in. Then the next package from Body Shop. So they sent in their new launch, that is the carrot collection. That is the carrot collection. Yeah, I'm right. So in this we have a carrot face wash, we have a carrot cream. That's that. Just love Body Shop. Like, I don't think any other brand is better than Body Shop. It's amazing. Then I got these lipsticks from, one second. Then I got these lipsticks from Blue Heaven and Biotique. So I actually had 4 lipsticks from Blue Heaven, but I'm left with 2 because I gave 2 to my mom. Then I have this lipstick from Biotique. It's a very beautiful lipstick. I love the packaging of Biotique. It's like so amazing. So that's that. Then I got a smartwatch from Digitech. Like, I got 4 smartwatches and earbuds and everything, but I gave it away. So I have like 1 smartwatch left, and that's that. Then I got a Makeup Revolution lipstick kit, lipstick hamper from Hawk Makeup. So they sent in this lipstick hamper. It has a lot of lipsticks from Makeup Revolution, and it has like matte lipsticks, then glossier ones, then darker ones. So everything in one box, which is like amazing. Really like it. Really love it. Then the second volume. Then the next thing is from Miss Claire. So Miss Claire sent in a lot of stuff. I've given some things to my sister and to my mom. But what I have in here is this. So they sent in a very cute letter, which is this, saying, "Dear Shivangi, trust you are doing well, and this package reaches you with a smile on your face." Of course it did. We had so much fun curating this beautiful box for you, and we know you'd be as excited as much as we are. So love handwritten notes, amazing, so happy. Miss Claire is an amazing brand. They sent in these sheet masks. So they had just launched a few sheet masks. They sent them. Then they sent me a few lipsticks. I gave away a few. They sent me a golden eyeliner. I gave it to my mom. Then they sent in this moisturizing primer, which is amazing. These 2 palettes. This is like a blush and a contour palette. Amazing. And this is like, this is like a makeup palette, and this is like a ultra glow contour and highlighter palette. Just amazing. I love it. Then they sent in this volume mascara, liquid highlighter. Super excited. Like, when I got this package, I was like so happy. I was like, yay! Because I personally love Miss Claire, like my favorite brand. Then Lily and Beans is a tea brand, and they sent in a lot of tea. Some of it I gave. Then I have some. This is the immunity booster tea. Immunity booster, herbal tea, green tea. Then Pro Luxure sent in a huge PR kit with my photo on it. So that was like really cute of them to do that. So that's that. I had got 1 more mask, 2 masks, because I asked for 2. Then they sent in 2 vitamin C serums. Vitamin C serum. Then there's an exfoliator, cleanser, moisturizer, scrub, all of that. So thank you, Prolixure. I actually used to buy Prolixure, and when I got their collaboration, I was like, what? Yay! That means I'm doing great work. Then I got this huge hamper. 1 second. I've got such big boxes. I got this huge hamper from Payal Singhal. She's a designer. So in this hamper, I think I got it from Payal Singhal, or I don't know which company. But it has Payal Singhal stuff. So it has this Payal Singhal scarf. It has a Payal Singhal pouch. It has this coffee cup. Then it has, yeah, that's about it. That's what I got from her. Then the next thing is, then the next thing is from Power Gummy. So Power Gummy sent in this, but till now we haven't like collaborated because they ran out of stock, and I still have to wait for this collaboration. But Power Gummies are super yummy. I wish I could open this, but it's a collaboration, so I cannot. Then the next thing I got is from Adhika. So Adhika just launched in India, and they were promoting their clothing range. So Adhika is a very famous brand abroad. It's just like Urbanic or all of these brands. It's a very famous brand. So they sent in a lot of clothes. I got this quad set. Comes with a crop top. This quad set. I got, to keep it back, this oversized t-shirt, Savage written on it. Then I got this t-shirt which I wore yesterday because I was shooting for them. So it's a beautiful top. That's that. Then I got this top. It's again a very beautiful, pretty colored top. Looks amazing. Super excited. Then I got this lavender crop top. I had this lavender crop top. With this crop top, I have these amazing jeans. So cannot wait to try this out. It's gonna just look like cotton candy. Then I have this quad set again from Adhika. These are sweatpants, and this is a crop top, looks amazing. Then I have this shawl sort of a thing from them. So that's that. And then they sent in these beautiful sneakers. Like, just look at them, guys. I always wanted something like this, and they sent in this. I was like, oh my god, Bhagwan ji, aap sab baatein meri sunte ho. Then I have heels also from them. So this is the pair of heels that I got. Looks amazing. Then, and their packaging is super amazing, guys. It's like Adhika. I like the name. Then the next package is from Vasu Healthcare. So they sent in a beautiful box of goodies. So they sent in their sugar scrub. They sent in their Kumkumadi Tailam. Then their aloe vera gel. So love the products, love the formulation. Vasu Healthcare, thumbs up from me. Then Tencha sent in their matcha iced matcha cold blend. They sent in this note which is super sweet. Like, I'm a sucker for notes, like personalized notes. I love them. Please just send them to me if the brands are hearing. Anyway, so this box comes in with a bottle. 1 second, let me just take it out. Yeah, this box has a bottle, and this is the ice mix, the matcha tea mix. So that's that. Anyway, I'm gonna keep it right here because it's not going inside the box now. So then the next thing is from the Beauty Co. So they sent in a lot of hampers. I had like 6-7 hampers of the beauty company, but I gave it to my sister. I used a few of them. I gave it to my mama. So I'm left with this one, the Tea Tree range. It's amazing. Love it completely. Then the next thing is from Candy Skin. So Candy Skin is a lingerie brand, and they sent in some lingerie for Women's Day. They sent in this and some swimwear and all of that. So I was pretty excited for this package. Then I got an Alan Truman package, and they sent in their new launch, which is the Argan Oil hair color. I cannot wait to use it. I'm so excited. That's that. Then we have the blow brush. Then we have a blow drying brush, a carbon infused comb. So that's from Alan Truman. I'm so excited to be working with them. This is like a very good brand. Then I have the ultimate drinking game, which is called Dring. Oopsie. So Dring sent in this drinking game to me because they just launched. Then I have two packages from Wow. Yeah, here. So Wow sent in their sunscreen, which I'm using, and it's in my bag, so I did not take it out. Then I have the Blemish Care Serum from Wow. And then I have the Amla hair oil. So that's that from Wow. Wow is actually wow. Then I got this pouch from Pipa Box. Pipa Box is a brand that curates like hampers for your loved ones. So they sent in these pearl earrings in this hamper. Very cute pearl earrings. Then they sent in tea, more tea, plum refreshing face mist. This is their citrus shampoo, nail paint, lipstick. This is what? Massage gel. So that's what is in this box, in this pouch. Then the next thing is from Earth Rhythm. They sent in their Radiance face mask and their lip tint. So that's cute little package. Then I have from the Natural Vibes. Sorry, something went inside my nose. Then I have a package from the Natural Vibes. Okay, I am absolutely in love with this package. So they sent in this Ayurvedic beauty oil, 24 karat gold. This oil does wonders to your skin. Like right now I'm not wearing any makeup, and I just apply that oil every day, and that oil is so amazing, you guys. It's just amazing. So you should try it out. I think the small version is for like, I don't know what's the price of the smaller one. I think it will be like for 500-600 rupees, but you should try it out. Then they sent in their brightening face wash, vitamin C skincare, and the tea tree hair repair. So love it. Then the next thing is, one second guys, I think I've lost something. So as I told you in the starting of this video, that Sand and Sky launched in India with their sister brand Coco and Eve. So Coco and Eve sent in this very beautiful detangler, and they sent in this very good hair mask. I am yet to use it, but let's open it and see. It smells really good. I have to remove the plastic covering. So that's that, and that's about it guys. That's my PR haul for you all. Oh, I have some stuff left, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me and show you what's in there. So there's this candle brand called, one second, let me check, called Ray Scent on Instagram, and they sent in really pretty candles and they smell divine, like this one. Then I have the one with dried rose petals, amazing smell. So that's that. Then I have some lipsticks from Sugar. I had a huge package, but now I cannot find the lipsticks. I don't know why. So that's it for my PR haul, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके लिए फिल्म करने में. I had kept all this since so long. So I love you so much. I'm gonna come back with another PR haul next month. Love you guys and bye bye.